Good morning, everybody. Happy New Year to everybody. This is the first live stream of 2024, and we are doing it right. Well, we're doing it cold, too. It's 33 degrees outside, cloudy right now. It is cold. We got Rozzy first in the first chat of the year. Rozzy, Dark Bro, Rozzy, Dark Bro, dropped internet with a great name out there. Come on, what a way to start the year, dropped internet. We got Dark Bro, Rozzy, Dark Bro, Steven, Dark Bro, Richard, Dark Bro, CD Wit, Dark Bro, Richard, CD Wit, Dark Bro, Rozzy, Dark Bro, Nigaf. Good morning to you. Dark Bro, Richard, Dark Bro, Steven, Richard, Steven, Dark Bro, DD214, Rozzy, Dark Bro, CD Wit, Geopit. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's happening, because we got Bitcoin on an absolute tear today. Well, that's not the market. That is the market. I mean, it's another coin out there, but that's not the market we want. We want this market right here. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, starting 2024 on an up note, but down, man. We're talking all-time lows to start the year. Like, look at this, man. 590 all-time lows, currently sitting at 620. Ridiculous. AMC down, but up 1.43% today. Shiba Inu coin 1065 right now. Been sitting kind of sideways all day with a 1% loss over the last 24 hours. As Bitcoin pulled back a little bit this morning, Shiba Inu coin pulled back as well. But I would have actually expected Shiba Inu coin to break through 1,100 points per coin based on the strength you're seeing in Bitcoin. It did not do that, though. GameStop sitting at 17.25, down 1.5% today. Bitcoin, bottom left, man, 45,376. After touching 45.9, I believe. 45,940, man. Bitcoin ripping higher over the last 24 hours. 45,381 at the moment. We're going to see. It might curl back over, guys, and you got to watch this 45,000 flat level right here. 45,000 flat now holding up his support. Of course, if it's broken, watch out. A lot of Bitcoin ETF speculation driving the price. Nasdaq getting beat today, man. Nasdaq down over 1% on the day so far. 620 on AMC. GameStop 17.24. Dogecoin 9.1 cents. Ethereum $2,367. Shiba Inu coin 1065. Bitcoin 45,367. The SPY 473. QQQ 403. QQQ getting hit pretty hard today, guys. QQQ touching 401, bouncing back a little bit to 404 right now, but nonetheless, a hard hit from like the 412s that it was at last week. Mullen Auto, 12% decline on the day today, bouncing off 1207, sitting at 1252. Sundial, $1.60. Netflix, 471. Highcroft Mining, 261. You got MPW, 506. Tesla, 249. Stuff's trying to bounce back today. Amazon, 150. Apple, 186, man. Apple was tested at 196. That's a 5% decline just from last week. So watch out for Apple bouncing back down a little bit as well. Nonetheless, we're going to watch Bitcoin down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, currently sitting at $45,376. Get an XRP ad. Rozzy, it sounds like a very ad ad, man. Maybe you should probably get into XRP then. Will this be the last true bull rally in crypto before regulation comes in? It contains everything. CD Wit. It very well could be, okay? It very well could be. I know a lot of people are expecting, the Bitcoin halving, combined with ETF speculation, combined with, SEC kind of losing out to Ripple and all that stuff, expecting all of those things to come together for some regulatory clarity and institutional investment in the cryptocurrency space. Now, that doesn't mean, man, that this is the last time you can ever see 100x gains. It doesn't mean that it's the last time you can see, a major rip higher or a major bull market rally. I mean, look at little penny stocks. Penny stocks are still theoretically regulated by the SEC, but all the time you got even Riot Blockchain and Marathon Digital, for example. They went from like 70 cents back in 2020 up to $70 in 2021. So you can still see gains in a regulated space. I do believe you're going to have much higher investment, though, right? I don't think that institutions are necessarily going to be pulling out and as volatile as retail investors would be. Here, what up going on? What's going on, GeoPed? Geo bro. Oh yeah, Gary, yo to you. What up, bro fam? Dark bro, yo Gary. You missed my 12-month super chat. I would never, Rozzy. Where is it at? I did miss it, Rozzy. It's right there. 1 year of bro. LFG. You know what? LFG coin is actually one of the most trending coins on the Solana network right now, Rozzy. We'll check that out in 2 seconds. Jasmine coin to the moon, sending positive vibes to everyone with love and smiles more. Rozzy, man, very, 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 very nice, dude. Thank you very much for keeping that green name for a year. And he's talking about LFG. Look at the top of the screen right now. Number 1 token up here. You can see it right here, dude. Number 1 token, LFG coin. LFG is up 4,000% over the last 24 hours, and it's currently on a little uptick. 7 points per coin right now. $70 million market cap. $20 million volume over the last 24 hours. And I don't know if it's on its way back down now or if it's on its way to double once again to get back up to 1,200 points per coin. Or 12 points per coin, whatever these numbers are right here. But yeah, man, 4 zeros and a 7 at the moment. LFG, less stinking gas. That's what you got going on in LFG right there. But I think I know what you meant by LFG. Let me know if that's what you meant or not. Rozzy, 12-month membership. Got it. Absolutely, it was good, bro. Work was ridiculous, though. Why was work ridiculous, man? They got a lot going on over there at the depot. Skeleton crew of the... yeah. Gotcha. Nobody wanted to work. 5 people in the whole store. Yeah, I went to Home Depot last night, and that's what it felt like, dude. It felt like 5 people in the entire store, actually. And I gotta go back today. I installed a faucet, and the tea that came with this faucet, I don't like it, dude. It's dripping at one of the things. I gotta go get a new tea from Home Depot. Some of this stuff, dude, not to like rip on like Chinese manufacturers or anything, but dude, some of these things, they put them together, and I know they're not testing these things before. Like, I don't understand why they make things with so many little swivels and screws. Anytime you're working with water, it's just one extra place where something can drip out of when you got to tighten it down. Just give me a darn solid tea and nothing's getting out of there. Kind of crazy, but that's my little rant for right now. So I'm going to go to Home Depot and get something that will work after, maybe in between these live streams, so that I can try and work on it after the second live stream today. Anyway, how's everybody else's weekend? I actually had a good weekend. I hope you guys did too. Got to keep Home Depot in the black. You got to, man. You got to, Dark Bro. Definitely. And that tea that I'm going to buy, it's actually kind of crazy. Home Depot is getting kind of expensive. Good morning, y'all. David, good morning to you. Good morning. Sorry I'm late. Old rounder, bro. They say better late than never. And I say it too. So better late than never. Glad to have you guys in here right now. By all means, rip on Chinese manufacturing. No, I don't want to. But at the same time, dude, when I can rub my finger on that metal and all of a sudden the metal begins to bend, yeah, I don't know. Something weird about that, right? Something weird when you can scratch the metal threads off of that little pot metal or tin pot that they got there. Oh, jeez, dude. Well, you can literally scratch it with your fingernail and scratch the thread right off. Something wrong with that metal, boys and girls. Doesn't seem like real metal to me. He said, by all means, what Gary said. Gary, Chinese manufacturing. Nah. But at the same time, all right, I could go get that little tea, and if it worked, it would cost me like 60 cents. Now I have to go to Home Depot and probably pay like, I don't know, $6.90. Yeah, it's ridiculous. That one will work though. That's the good Chinese metal, because I know they're still getting it from China. That's the good Chinese metal at Home Depot right there. The one that came with that faucet, bad Chinese metal. The one that comes from Home Depot, good Chinese metal. Let's see. Good here. Teaching now and uploading my 3rd deposit today. Wellness IQ. What are you teaching, man? What are you teaching? I want to know. Well, I just slightly touched my what? I just slightly touched my lady. Your crappy mood runs off into everyone. What is happening, dude? There's no crappy moods allowed in 2024. No. We're going to make 2024 the best year ever. And that's a fact. We are going to make 2024 the best year ever, guys. If you want the best faucets, Kohler, Moen, and Delta. Yeah, if you want the cheapest faucets, Turk Bro, get the non-brand name faucets that you can grab like on Amazon. But in honesty, right, a faucet is literally just a bent piece of metal, okay? It's all those stupid little T's and all these little washers and all the little connectors that, in my opinion, make it cheap versus, I guess, a better quality. Because, truthfully, the little bent thing of metal is just a little bent thing of metal. So, I don't really care if that's, I don't know, $3, man. That part doesn't bother me. But you just don't want it to leak. The only place that it's really going to leak, it's not going to blow out the side of that faucet. The only place that it's going to leak, water lines, connectors, and so on. So, yeah, I'm going to be going to Home Depot some point today to get a decent connector and hook that faucet up so it's good to go. But, yeah, you know, you're right, man. If you want the brand name, you're basically paying for brand name connectors at that point, in my opinion. Where we at? And she wasn't manufactured in China. Gary? Maybe she should have been, man. Maybe she should have been. Shout out to Clay, bro. What's going on, Will Major? Teaching yoga. All right, Wellness IQ. Very good. I've never done a yoga class in my life. I have stretched before, but I've never done a yoga class in my life. Wellness IQ. Would you recommend it? Would you recommend it, man? It's weird that it's falling apart already. It's supposed to fall apart after installment. Yeah, it's true, but it's not really falling apart. So it was weird, man. It's not falling apart. It just it never connected right. You know, it never wanted a thread on there, right? And it's this very weird tee. So the hot water line and the cold water line come together, and then they go up the faucet, right? And the piece that they have, the tee that they have, is a very strange tee. Not only does it connect into the top of the, well, I don't know. It would almost be like a coupling. So it screws down into the coupling and it screws up into the connecting pipe up there. So I don't know why they made it that way, but it's leaking where it screws down into the tee. It's got some washer that it's supposed to secure on, like a little rubber ring that it's supposed to secure on, but it's not. It's not doing it right. So I'm just going to get a regular tee, and then it's going to be fine. There's no place for it to leak there. I guess they tried to make it like a little janky union so that you could kind of screw it into both, but I don't think it worked out the way that they wanted it to work out because it's just got a slight little drip, dude, and you can't have a slight little drip because then you get water dripping forever, man. Well, technically it would only drip when the bathtub's running, but yeah, you don't want that. Any future to Shib? VS. Well, sure, man. Shib and any other cryptocurrency are going to be what we make of it. All right, that's just the truth of it. EV, a market to short. You shorting the electric vehicle market right now? Well, shoot, dude. Gaskets wear out on the faucets eventually. That they do. Roulette wheel. This one doesn't seem to. This one seems to have worn out before it was ever even made, though. Maybe it was sitting on a shelf for like 50 years and then decided to call it a day. Seems like Bitcoin isn't sure if it wants to roll over or not. Listen. I want Bitcoin to roll over. I'm sure that I want Bitcoin to roll over. Okay? I am. There's too much speculation going on right now. These gains are like unfounded gains. They're unjust gains. I like them, but they're unjust gains. I want Bitcoin to roll over. I want Bitcoin to roll higher on actual news, not just the speculation of news. Because, dude, if Bitcoin rips higher, let's say people are like, yeah, ETF, 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 and they're chanting this for the next like 10 days or whatever, and then the SEC, and we pump Bitcoin up to $55,000, $60,000 or whatever, and then the SEC comes out and says, no, you don't, no, you don't, no, you don't. Dude, it's gonna destroy people again, and then we're just gonna have some massive decline. And people are going to be so upset that they're going to be yelling, crypto winter happening again, blah, blah, blah. I got a bro hoodie for Christmas. EM. Nice, man. Do you love it? EM, let me know. Do you love it, man? Amazon update on reducing Shib. Let's see. So, Will, I still haven't got the payment yet. I would imagine, okay, it's supposed to be in by like the 5th, but I'm going to give them to like the 6th because, of course, it might be slightly different this month because of New Year's. Everything was closed. With everything being closed, banks and so on, we'll see what happens. But it should have been 5 days within the end of December there. So we're going to have to see when that comes in. I'm going to round it up to 25 million. It was like 24 million and like 400,000 or something that ended up being accumulated during December. So as soon as that comes over, the plan is to just go out to Coinbase, buy the 25 million Shiba Inu coin, and send them to the dead wallet. That's the first month. Guys, if you think about it, that is a great first month because I promise you, nobody knows about this link. Nobody knows about this link. There's so many more people that could be using this link to burn Shiba Inu coin. So it's going to be 25 million. I am rounding up slightly from 24 and change or whatever it was. But I don't want to get into the habit of just doing it on the 1st or whatever, doing it on the 2nd. I want to at least make sure the Amazon payment comes through, and then it's not like I'm burning mine and just waiting on the rest of the money to come in at that point. So when it happens, yeah, we're going to be burning 25 million Shiba Inu coin, and that is literally no money that you guys had to spend. That is no money that I had to spend. It is extra money generated from leveraging that Amazon link. That is how burns should be. I think that is a phenomenal way. I would love if we 4x'd during January here, and we could burn 100 million Shiba Inu coin. From there on, I would like more and more people to share and use that link. I would like to 10x that. I would love to be doing $1 billion plus. I mean, that's a lot of money to be burning. But it's essentially no extra money spent from anybody. So yeah, dude, we're starting off. First month was very good in my opinion. We're gonna do a nice little 250 or 25. Sorry, 25. It's about $250. 25 million Shiba Inu coin burn for the first one. Pink sheets aren't regulated. Yes, you are correct, Will. But I mean, people trust the stock market for the most part. Not a lot of people involved in AMC and GameStop trust the stock market. But you are right, Will. I've had to replace more faucets than I can count, and those ones are the least problematic. Yeah, Dark Bro, I would agree with you on that, dude. Faucets have moving parts. Not many moving parts, though. Not many moving parts. So this is a Roman tub faucet, right? The handle is basically just like a little ball valve. You spin it, and it opens. You spin it, and it closes. And then literally the faucet heads. Dude, there ain't no moving part in that faucet head. I'll tell you that. There's no moving parts in that faucet head. Just the little ball valves on the joints there. Shark bite connectors are what I use. Yeah, so I don't think I'm going to need a shark bite. I can look at it since I'm going to be going to Home Depot and really seeing what they got there. As far as I'm concerned, I'm just going to replace the current brass tee that they've got with another brass tee that's solid. But if they got something that's going to make it a little easier, because it's hard to get to, right? That's the hard part, dude. My lower back, I was working on it last night, dude. My arm, there's this stupid screw. Dude, I'm like digging my arm into the screw the whole time. I'm down in some weird little position. Yeah, so I'm a little sore from yesterday, but the easier it is, the better it's going to be. Wellness IQ equals Patrick, and you're welcome in the Netherlands, Clay. Wellness IQ, would you like me to call you Patrick? It's going to be hard it might be hard to remember that if you're not active every day. But Patrick, I'll be more than happy to call you Wellness IQ or Patrick, whichever you prefer. And the Netherlands. I've never been to the Netherlands, but that would be amazing, man. That'd be amazing. You're always welcome in Ohio as well. Ladies love the letter T when you're performing alphabets. A, B, C, D, Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Is that how you perform the alphabet? I think it is, man. I don't know. Hey bro, no ignore Streamlabs. Dark bro! I didn't even hear it, man. I would never ignore the Streamlabs on the screen right now from Dark bro! Okay, bros. I've got a treat for you. Honorarium merch is online and will be available to everyone this week. Ow, 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 ow. Very nice, Dark Bro. Anybody want to grab that Honorarium merch, you better check it out and see. Dark Bro, is it going to be on your TikTok? Is it going to be on your Etsy? Where is it going to be, man? Let us know. Banks are slow. My direct deposit didn't clear until this morning. Should have been... all right. Yeah, Gary. So I would imagine with all the holidays going on, banks will be a little slow. Happy New Year to you too, Will. Pfft. Thanks, man. Who needs them? So when is BlackRock ETF supposed to happen? Giovanni, I don't know exactly when the BlackRock ETF is supposed to happen. So as far as dates are concerned, I believe the ARK Invest ETF has until January 10th to be approved or denied. The SEC owes them a decision, I believe, by January 10th. A lot of people are expecting that more than one ETF could get approved or denied at that point in time. So January 10th is kind of the deadline that everybody's looking at right now because, you know, they might say that ARK Invest, BlackRock, Grayscale, they might give all these guys the go-ahead. Some people expecting that as early as today we could see some information floating in. So I read a couple articles this morning, seeing Bitcoin doing very well today. I was looking over a bunch of articles. Some analysts believe that January 2nd, January 3rd, we might start to see some information start floating in around Bitcoin ETF, but around BlackRock and Grayscale and ARK Invest. So I don't know, man. I would say anytime this week into the 10th there, but the 10th is kind of like the deadline that we're supposed to have info on ARK Invest's ETF. Brett is pumping Solana meme coin 125% over the last 24 hours. Brett, man, let's check out what we got going on with Brett. Giovanni, yes. So I do exercise. I don't work out as hard as I used to. You know, surprisingly enough, man, when you go into work every day and then you come home, it's kind of like you take the day, you're done then for the day. And yes, I used to hit it a lot harder than I do now. But now, dude, it's almost like 24 hours a day, reading stuff, commenting on stuff, getting these videos ready, doing these live streams. So it is a little bit of a I guess, different lifestyle right now than what I was doing before. So, yes, I do exercise, but I definitely don't work out as hard as I used to. I would like to. It's something that I do enjoy doing. But maybe 2024, we'll change that there. Be available on official Honorarium Etsy page. There you go, Dark Bro. I like it, man. I'll post when the links are when it's available. Good deal, Dark. I don't alphabets backwards. I do it forward. Hang out on I-O and T quite a while. Interesting. Doesn't do it backwards. He does it forward, man. I don't know who does that. Let's check out Brett Coin real quick and see where Brett is at the moment. Can we get it on here? Is Brett going to show up on here? Yes, it is. We get Brett Coin right now, $2 million market cap, 132% gain over the last 24 hours here, and looking pretty solid, man. Looking pretty solid over the last 24 hours. I don't know what this daily chart looks like. Let's see if we can pull it up here. All right, it hasn't been out that long. Smokes, though. 6x gain in the last 2 weeks. This coin has been doing very well, man. That's interesting, dude. That Brett is able to run up like this, basically lose 75% of its value, and then continue moving higher. I mean, that would have dropped it back down to like $100,000 market cap. It is so... To me, there's almost no rhyme or reason as to why this coin can lose basically everything. And this is still losing basically everything. Going from 8 points per coin all the way back down to 2 points per coin. This would have been going from, I don't know, several $100,000 market cap back down to like a $50,000 market cap, yet people keep it alive. That part I cannot answer as to why. So if you guys know why these coins like don't die out there when a lot of other ones do, let me know, man. Let me know, because that's Brett does seem to be doing very well today. Let's see. I'll be in LA from the 17th of January. Never know if I'll pass by Ohio in those 2 weeks. And me being in the U.S. Well, I do know, man. Nobody ever passes by Ohio, Patrick. Nobody ever passes by Ohio. Let's see. Los Angeles, LA, as in Los Angeles. Yes, I would imagine so. Internet computer pictures. Oh, man. Lith 88 euro, dude. Internet computer has been doing very well. I would like to say the internet computer is going to be running back up to its all-time highs and its intro prices. But it's not something that I follow enough to really say that with any confidence. It's simply me liking the idea of that happening. So internet computer is it $13 today? Oh, this is another one. Teller got hit. Teller was ripping yesterday or day before up to like $600 a coin, and then crashed back down to about 100 or something. Let's take a look at Teller in a second. But ICP was like $15 over the weekend. All right, back down to 13 here. So sitting at a $6 billion valuation. The all-time highs up here at $400. You look at these, man, $50 billion valuation. I would love to see internet computer ripping back up to these levels. I just don't know if it will. Okay? I just don't know if it will. It has had a very, very tough go of it. Now, crazy thing is, man, it has been picking up in volume drastically over the last couple of weeks. And it has been picking up in price drastically. Going from $4 or $5 up to $15, back down to $13. It seems to be on a very nice, strong move right now. So, all right, I see a super chat. So I'm just not sure as to what the bull market highs are going to be. I would love to see it regain that ground and just, ignite the market. Kai, thank you very much for this super chat. I don't even know where it went on here. Why is it not showing up on my Streamlabs thing? Ah, come on. Is Streamlabs not going to... There it is. There it is. There it is. All right. Now I see it. Kai says, you know who is abusing their mod status again. I've been blocked on the live streams again. Something really needs to be done. He can't be blocking me just because he doesn't like me. I hoped he was done with this nonsense. Well, let's see. I don't even know if you're blocked, man. Let's go see if you're blocked. I don't even know who it would be. Say I know who. I really don't even know who. Let's go take a look at YouTube right here. I want to see if Kai's blocked. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Where's it at? Settings? Yeah, settings. All right. Let's see. I do not see. Well, Kai is blocked right here. All right, Kai, I don't know if you're in here just on a different name or whatever, but you are not blocked anymore. All right, I do not know why you were blocked, but you're not blocked anymore. So if Kai's in here, let him know he's not blocked. If Kai's not in here, somebody tell him in the Discord that he's not blocked anymore. And I have no idea why he was blocked, but guys, don't block Kai just because you don't like him. I don't know if he did anything or what, but don't block somebody just because you don't like him. I just responded. I know for a fact, Gary, oh, my lady just texted me back. This dude, man. This dude. Gary, my back hurts too. But it was because I was laying under that faucet all night trying to get it to stop leaking. But it didn't work, man. Backs can hurt for various reasons, man. Backs can hurt for various reasons. Yo, Clay, any chance I could get your thoughts on Trader XTX, a revenue sharing token, where transaction tax goes to trading pools and profits back to the holders? Yeah, Brian, I don't know anything about it, but we can try to pull that up real quick. Let's see. We'll pull it up, and I'll catch back up on the chat here. Is it this one? Let me know if it's this one, and then we'll start talking about it. Yes, LA is in Los Angeles. Very nice. Wellness IQ. Happy New Year, Dark Bro. You too, broski. Oh, yeah. Next level in gray. TRB was on my list. Oh, geez, dude. TRB. Yeah, if that was on your list at 24, you would have had that up to $600, man. That would have been like a 30x gain. All right, bro. Rio USD. All right, TJ. Queue up the Rio. I gotta look at Tradex here. I did want to pull up Teller or TRB, and then we can hit out Rio right there. Let's see. If World War III starts, the whole market could drop. Ayo, Papo. No, if World War III starts, the whole market probably will. I mean, not just could, probably will drop. Hello, everybody. Clay included. Yes, man. He singles me out. I like it, Chris. Let's get started. Ready to make 2024 the best year ever, because 2022 bleeds into 2023. So one of these things, it's going to change. Chris is right on that, man. 2024 is going to be the best year ever. Facts, dude. Facts on that. Rio, yes, we're going to look at that in a second here. Probably find it on Dex Tools. No, not that one. All right, Brian, not this one. TX. Trader X, not TradeX. All right, well, let's see if we can find it on I don't have CoinGecko open, so let's see if we get it on Dex Tools here. Probably this one, right? Are you looking at the Ethereum version or the BNB version? Probably the Ethereum version. This only has a score of 1. Stay away from that one. What is this? What is this little symbol here? All right, 86.64% locked liquidity for 11 months. Not bad right there. So they got some liquidity locked. I'll take it. Oh, yeah, dude, this is actually looking pretty good. So this is a daily chart here coming out at, you know what, let's just say coming out at 5 cents, because nobody gets in on this first day down here at 1 cent or whatever and then rips it up. That's on such kind of, I mean, you got to be such a, you either got to know the token exists or be willing to take such a risk if you get it on this very first candle here. But regardless of that, it has done very well, going from this like 5-6 cent range all the way up to 50 cents. Now back down a little bit. Let's talk about the transactions, 1,400 transactions. Sells are outweighing the buys today, so watch out for that one, guys. But what are the taxes here? 5% sell tax and 5% buy tax. Those are some heavy taxes. You're going to have to make some decent gains in order to make up for that. But without knowing the exact tax split in tokenomics, it sounds like you're making some dividends or some revenue sharing off of that. So that's a very positive sign. Plus the fact that you have seen some very decent gains so far. $50,000 in locked liquidity. Might be $40,000 in locked liquidity. $45,000. If only 86% is locked up. Not exactly sure. So I don't know. $45,000 in locked liquidity right there. And so they're not really going to be able to rug you. 181 holders. This coin is still very, very early. But one of the main drivers of this coin with that revenue sharing is going to be transactional volume. So you do want to see volume increase. 24-hour volume of $1,600 is still extremely low. Now, why do I call that low? Dude, just go look at some of these trending coins right here. Look, this is probably a fake grok. And this coin's already done $882,000 worth of volume. Actually, I don't know if this is a fake one. $882,000 worth of volume today. Pepe Coin. Nobody even knows what this one is. $1.2 million worth of volume today. IBIT. $781,000 worth of volume today. If you were getting numbers like this on that Trader X, you would be making a killing. I mean, look at Bahamas here. $640,000. And I'm just clicking on random coins. $640,000 in volume today. And if you were getting that on that Trader X coin, you'd be making an absolute killing on that. Oh my gosh, Patrick is in the chat. What is up? Patrick, man, thank you very much for 5 green names. Patrick, thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat on Friday. Thank you very much for being in the live stream. Absolutely appreciate it, man. We got Wellness IQ coming in, getting that green name. Who's your daddy getting that green name? Dropped internet connection with a green name. Arubasu and Nick F with a green name, man. I love it. And Patrick coming in with 15-month member chat right now. Patrick saying, Happy New Year all, and congratulations to all of the new green names. Patrick, man, making it possible. Pat, thank you very much for the 15 months of bro, and thank you very much for getting those other people green names as well. Pat, man, absolutely coming in and starting the new year off right. Yes, man, thank you very much for it. Somebody grab it. You guys grabbed it. Dark bro, man, I like it. I have Pepe Coin and Pond Coin. Ayo, Papo. Well, shoot, dude, hopefully Pepe Coin. I didn't even know Pepe Coin existed. I knew Pepe existed, but I didn't know Pepe Coin existed there. Adult? Yeah, I think we're all adults, maybe. Some of us. I don't even know. Pat is the man. Pat is the man. What the heck is this? TJ. You talking about Trader X, or you talking about something else, man? We got to look at, you're the one that wants to look at Rio real quick, right? We can look at Rio as well. Let's see then. If it wasn't you, then I must humbly apologize. Absolutely. Yeah, I really don't know. Kai. Oh, don't do it to me. All right, it's not going to do it to me. Good. Hey, y'all. Had jury duty today and got out early for good behavior. Nice. Question is, man, did you send him to jail? Ooh, you did get out early, man. They let you go. You didn't have a trial. No way you had a trial. Pfft, to jury duty. You got the original Pepe. Gotcha. Yeah, I don't know what Pepe Coin is there, but original Pepe, I can see that one. I just don't know what this one is. I've never heard of this one here. Man, Beam. Is this the real Beam? Beam is trending today. That's got to be the real one. Beam is trending today. Beam's on fire, man. Beam trending with over $4 million in volume today. $858 million market cap. $8.43 million in locked liquidity. We haven't detected locked liquidity. What do you mean you got the lock on there, dude? What do you mean you haven't detected it? TMNT, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Where's this one at here? 3,000 holders, $2 million market cap. Nothing but down price action right now. So watch out for Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles on that. But let's look at Rio. Which one is it? Is this the Rio you want to look at? Came out 3 years ago? Is this the one you want to look at, TJ? Right here? Oh, he says, whoa, WTF was the Sam Bankman-Fried Bahamas crab coin? Was that? Yeah, dude, I don't know what it was, man. But people will buy literally anything on there. It's fun, though. I mean, it's fun. If you want to go in there and you don't want to go... I think Richard or somebody said that they went to the casino, right, to start the new year. They went with like $300, came back with $1,500 or something. Awesome. I mean, you can do that easily from the comfort of your own home with Dex tools right here. Literally buying anything that shows up on the trending page. And then hopefully getting out before everybody else gets out. Realo Network, guys, sitting at ticker symbol RIO. It's been out for quite a while. This is something that I'm not very familiar with. It's still doing decent volume, $1.2 million, 17,000 holders, $46 million market cap. So the good news is, over the last couple of months, it's followed the overall trend of the market and has gone from roughly 18, wow, all the way down here at 12 cents. Wow, 12 cents to 84 cents. Now, be very careful, because it's reaching this same level that it got rejected off of at the end of November. Got rejected at this level end of November and pulled back heavy, right? From like 95 cents down to 50 cents. Over the last 3 days, following Bitcoin up nicely, ripping from 55 cents back up to 90 cents. If it gets rejected again, though, you're going to find that support line. You're going to find that support line in this 50 to 55 cent area. But you can see you've got this resistance line. Boom, boom, boom. Tapping it again today in this 80 to 90 cent area. If it breaks through, wait for confirmation because it tried to break through but only wicked up. If it doesn't break through, man, I wouldn't be jumping in just yet. Me personally, you can jump in if you want. But if it gets rejected off of this 80 cent area, I think you're going to be much better off picking it up at 50 cents. If it falls through 50 cents, watch out, dude. You ain't got no support until you get back down to 25 cents. You don't want to see a 75% decline after getting in, hoping that it breaks through. Either take the confirmation of the break or wait for it to get rejected and buy in there. They settled during recess. Dang it, man. Everybody loves recess, Pat. Everybody loves recess, don't they? Well, shoot, it sounds like you were actually on the jury then. Glad they settled, man. If they settled, was it, no, I don't even want to know. Are you even allowed? Yeah, I guess you're allowed to say now after the case is over. But, I don't know if they'd be settling a civil suit or if they'd be settling a criminal suit or what they got going on there. Let's see. DexTools is doofus with that. DexTools doesn't know everything. Now, I'll be going back to what I was doing. Pudgy, either way, we're glad to have you in here, man. Made a 17% profit on Beam so far. Very nice, Kai. First one yet. Ooh, old Rio right there. Weekly chart is fire. Dude, the daily chart is fire. Let's take a look at the weekly chart here. The daily chart's looking real good, too. Weekly chart. Gonna put... Yeah, dude, the weekly chart, if you zoom in to from the middle of 2022 there, going from, my goodness, dude, 2 cents, 2 stinking cents to 80 cents. This is the thing, though. Does DexTools let you graph market cap? I don't think DexTools lets you graph market cap, do they? No. Yeah, I don't think DexTools lets you graph market cap. If they do, guys, if you guys know graphing better than I do on DexTools, let me know. But dude, 1/40th. This went from $1 million market cap last year, never died out, and is sitting on a $40 million market cap. Look, that's the stuff that's got to be inspiring. That's the stuff where if you go out, man, and you take a little $50, $10, whatever you're comfortable, $100, you take a little position in it and just let it go. This is the stuff that it can really turn into. Now, not everybody's going to go out there and buy $10,000 worth of Rio when it's sitting at a $1 million market cap in 2022 and then watch that 40x and turn into 400 grand. Not everybody's going to do that. But it's absolutely crazy that these are the types of gains that just happen in the cryptocurrency space. I can't believe Mini Dark's going to be 4 this month. Holy smokes, dude. Well, Dark Bro, you better let me know when his birthday is, because I'm singing to him, man. I'm singing to him. Alon, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Absolutely appreciate that, my friend. Honorarium update. Honorarium's still looking pretty good. Pulling back a little bit today, though. I was looking at Honorarium this morning, like 85. Yeah, 85.97 points per coin right there. It is currently sitting at an $89,000 market cap. Somebody sold off because I know we had 101 holders. Currently sitting on 100 holders flat right there. $11,600 in locked liquidity at the moment and doing $1,200 in daily volume. Good news is, right, if you're looking, we can pull up the 5-minute chart there in a second, or the hourly chart, but got rejected once again off this level right here, back down to the support level. If it breaks through this support, which it's done a very good job of holding above it, you're going to find support in this 6 area. So just know that for whatever reason, whoever's trading it is finding resistance in this area, finding support in this area right here. Oh, that's the weekly. Let's look at the daily here. I like the daily graph. And you can see, finding support right here, might be wanting to wick down and test some lower levels, but as of right now, holding up beautifully in that trend line that has been forming on it. Let's see. What's the update? It's going to take me too long to type. So it's 2024. The real question is, will we get an honorarium video? Dark Bro, I hope that we do, man. I'm not making any promises, but I hope that we do. Everyone smashed a like. 43 in here and 12 likes. What? Dude, if you guys... Oh, my God. If there's really only 12 likes, I'm closing the stream down right now. Hold on. Let me see where we're at. All right. Either just Jeff needs to refresh his page a little bit, or you guys went in there and clicked it very quickly after Just Jeff said, click the like button, because I'm seeing 22. Still, you can do a lot better. There's 45 people in here and 20 likes. You guys can do a lot better than that. Bro, did you see Naka USDT on KuCoin? No. I was looking at KuCoin. When? I was looking at KuCoin all morning today. Naka wasn't trending or anything like that. TJ, I was looking at KuCoin all morning today and didn't see that at all. I should say they settled during the screening process. Nobody got chosen. The juror supervisor couldn't figure out why the judge was running so late till it was all over. Well, dude, I'm glad. Nobody likes to sit on jury duty. Could you imagine, though? Could you imagine you're getting ready to be picked for the jury and they're like, oh, yes, this is the case of Sam Bankman-Fried versus the United States of America? Yes, dude. I'd be like, put me on this jury. Guilty. There's no way they'd put me on that jury. There's no way they'd put me on that jury. I would like to be on that jury, though. That'd be sweet. Let's look at a Pondcoin. Hey, yo, Papa. We'll pull up Pondcoin right now and see what's going on. I don't know anything about Pondcoin. Shib. Better gains in the bull market. Let me put it this way. YNB fight. If the developers can actually revitalize the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, I will go Terra Luna Classic with better gains during the bull market. If everything kind of stays the way that it is right now, I think it's almost meme coin versus meme coin. And at that point, it's going to be a difficult decision, but I'd probably say Shib. Why? Meme coin versus meme coin, yes, Terra Luna Classic has a lower market cap, therefore theoretically would have a higher potential. I think Bitcoin's got the I think Shib has the stronger community. So I would be saying Shiba Inu coin without a revitalization of Terra Luna Classic's network. So that's the way I look at it, man. That's the way I look at it. In terms of lottery ticket play, though, dude, if they can revitalize Terra Luna Classic, oh my gosh. Yeah. I mean, they could really take that price up. Let's see what Pondcoin has, if anything. No, I don't want that. Pond. Is it Pondcoin? It's not going to be this one. There's no liquidity here. Huh. Dude, look at this rug, man. My goodness. Look at this rug here. Literally zero liquidity. The market cap. Is that 3 zeros? That's like 3 zeros and a 9. Doesn't even have a penny in market cap. I don't think that's the right one. Let's see if we get Pond over here. Gotta be this one. Gotta be this one right here. $26 million market cap. It's doing okay on the week. Down on the month. Okay. So when did this bad boy come out? Beginning of August. Ripped up. Okay. Well, looking at this chart right here, I don't know what all Pondcoin has going for it or anything like that. If it's got a decent meme status to it, or if it's simply trying to play itself around Pepe and so on. But this is the support line, and it seems to be a very good support line that's held up since August. Came down, tapped this level at about 1 point per coin. Tapped the level, 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 tapped the level. Now, the overwhelming wedge, or the trend, is still kind of bearish. It doesn't really have the support to push it up, but they cannot push this right now below this 1 point per coin mark. So, I don't know. If you want to get in now, okay, but otherwise you might be able to get in about a 20% better price jumping into this area. But, yeah, dude. I mean, these gains are wild right here, but I don't know what was going on way, way, way down here. Now, that's a $0 market cap when it first launched. So, I don't know what happened way back there. Check out Sonic. All right, we'll look at Sonic. What else we got? It's on the Ethereum network. That's the one. That Pond early, but I don't know how. I hope you're not early, as in like August 1st or 2nd, dude. If that's the case, you're sitting on some crazy gains right now. But early, as in way back there in August and September, I don't know. You do seem to have a lot of support in that 1 point per coin range that could lead to some decent gains if it does ever break out and start to rip up, kind of like Bonk, Pepe, and so on did. You got to break past these previous all-time highs. Yeah, Dark Bro, if you can break past those levels, man, Honorarium is going to be looking very good. Forgot that Baby Doge is on. KuCoin's got a lot of coins out there, man. The problem is KuCoin doesn't let you buy anything in the United States. I can't stand it, man. I can't stand it. Nobody in the U.S. can buy anything anywhere. Clay, can you please punish Shiba by not giving them videos for a week? Gary, I actually think that would be punishing me, man. I actually think that would be punishing me if I didn't give Shiba Inu coin a video for an entire week. About low on Pondcoin website. Oh my gosh, dude. Hey, yo, Papo. Is it you sitting in a pretty good spot right now? Ooh, man. If you're sitting in a pretty good spot, I would love it. Yeah, replace them with Honorarium videos. At least once a week. I said Dark Coin. Dark Pro says, I second that. No more Shiba Inu coin videos. Make it all Honorarium videos. Dude, if I may, and then I'm going to be saying no more Honorarium videos. We're making only Bro Coin videos. And then all of a sudden people are like, well, dude, this guy's talking about Bro Coin. He doesn't talk about Shib anymore. I subscribed to his channel to see Shiba Inu coin videos. Now he's not posting any. Unsubscribe. 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 I love KuCoin. Sad we can't use them without a... Dude, it is ridiculous, man. Yeah, Kai, I really liked KuCoin as well. I can't imagine that this is going to be forever. But I don't know what they're waiting on. I truly don't. I'm like 2 steps short of downloading Pionex. I was looking at it over the weekend, reading a bunch of reviews on it. A lot of people have some very nice things to say. Surprisingly, though, the Google Play Store, it shows you how many downloads. Pionex only has 10,000 downloads on the Google Play Store. Is that true? Is anybody in here using Pionex? I think Dark Bro said he uses it. I know Ken Bro uses it. If anybody else is using Pionex, let me know. But yeah, dude, it just seemed like a surprisingly low number to me with 10,000 downloads. So let me know if you guys saw something different, or if you guys have Google Play and you're seeing the same thing as me for Pionex there. JB, I subscribed to see AMC. Yeah, you know what, JB? You did. And for some reason, you are still here, my friend. You are still here. I will say this, right? AMC, I rip on Adam Aaron a lot now. But I absolutely, I respect what AMC was. AMC was essentially, what, like my start or whatever, what catapulted me from just regular stock videos into some sort of like, well, it wasn't really a cult at that point, but some market movement, it was insane. The amount of views and the amount of passion people had for AMC. And then it turned into something very, very strange. But yeah, dude, I will always love AMC for that. I really will. Long short term is better, but longer term, Shib. And you know what, roulette wheel, I could get on board with that too. And one of the reasons is because of the market cap. Terra Luna Classic at 6x before it even gets to the price of Shiba Inu coin, man. Streamlabs still acting up. Let me see. I don't know. Is Streamlabs still acting up, guys? It seems to be fine for me. Seems to be fine for me at the moment. Unless it's not fine. Pat, if you sent something on Streamlabs, let me know, because I just refreshed everything, and the last thing I see is from 12 minutes ago. Let's see. Is Mexi with a VPN? Now that we can't use KuCoin, just don't leave coins on there. Okay, so what do you do? Old round, you buy them on there and move them over to your wallet? Is that what you do? And see, Pinex US, though, I used to run a trading bot on KuCoin, and I was looking at the bots for Pinex. But yeah, Dark Bro, Pinex US is the one that I was talking about and the one that I was looking at. And literally, it tells me they only have 10,000 downloads. Now, it might be different for people with iPhone, but Google Play Store says that Pinex US only has 10,000 downloads. And people just aren't really aware of it. Dude, if that's the case, man, it's a very, very, very small exchange. What the heck, man? Morning, Clay. Did you have a good New Year? You know what, Sean? I did have a good New Year. I watched the movie It's a Wonderful Life. That actually is a really good movie. If you guys haven't watched that, it's from like 1946 or 1947. You guys need to watch that movie. It's a very good movie. Watch that and then just basically hung out. Just started New Year, shared your broadcast to groups in US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, Mexico, total number 70,000. Patrick Pitt, baby, thank you very much for sharing the live stream all over the world, and a happy New Year to you as well, man. Time to get back to work. Later, bros. Geoped, thank you very much for hanging out with us. Enjoy the rest of your day at work, and hopefully you come back to the afternoon live stream as well. Sent something on Friday. That one, oh yes, that one did come through, Patrick. That one I did see. Let me replay that one really quick. Right here, guys, right here. I'm going to move it to this screen so you can see it a little bit better. Patrick, thank you very much for the Streamlabs Super Chat. It says, Clay, I hope that you and the Bro family are doing well. Have a blessed and very safe Happy New Year. Dilly dilly to Pat Boy Silly. And some authorized Hydrilly. Pat, man, thank you very much for that super chat. That did show up right here. I do see that one, and I absolutely appreciate that one, man. And Pat, I still owe you. I haven't gone to the post office yet, but I still owe you a different size sweater there. So don't think that I forgot about that either. Suzuki, Mark L, you, and was there anybody else? I feel like there was somebody else. Oh, yeah, somebody from the video. He's in my email. I think his name, I don't know if his name was Travis or not. I think those four. I need to email or mail those four. And then, hey, somebody else confirm this really quick. Is fantasy football over? Did Moji win that trophy in fantasy football? Because I'll be sending that out as well. I don't even know if fantasy football is over. So let me know if fantasy football is over and if Moji won that so I know where to send that trophy to. Yeah, move my coins off Mexi. Withdrawal limit per day is 5 Bitcoin without KYC. Well, shoot, man. I don't know who's withdrawing 5 Bitcoin per day. That's a lot of money. But, yeah, old rounder, that's probably a very good idea. 1 cent Luke is definitely on my wish list. Dude, 1 cent Terra Luna Classic. $40-50 billion market cap, so like definitely doable, would be phenomenal. Oh my gosh, dude. Could you just imagine the excitement with 1 cent Bitcoin rolling in? Oh my goodness. Yes! Gary. I don't use an iPhone either, man. I don't use an iPhone. Patrick, thank you very much. Now, this is a legitimate authorized hydration. I say thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the water. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Pat, man, absolutely. Thank you very much for everything today. My goodness, starting the new year, and I forgot my manners. You did not, Patrick. You did not. Pat, thank you very much for the authorized hydration. I like you and this video, number 30. Beeps. Thank you very much for clicking the like button. Okay, just subscribed and became a bro. Been watching your Shib videos for a while, which I appreciate. Probably the oldest subscriber here at 51. Garrett, you are not the old. I actually don't know if anybody in here is older than 51 right now, but I know you're not the oldest that hangs out in the live stream, man. We got some 60s. We got some 60s in the live streams. Gary says you're not the oldest, man. He's got you beat right there. I would use if I traded. I buy and hold. Yeah, okay, gotcha. Roulette wheel. And buying and holding, dead serious. Buying and holding. That's the majority. You know, if I'm just looking to... if I'm looking to do something, if I see something running, I trade. But yeah, buying and holding, dude, it is much less of a stress than trading is. This place is great. 3.5 stars. Give it 4 stars, man. Give it 4 stars. Come on now, give it 4. Guys, it is past 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to be doing some shout-outs, and we will be back this afternoon. Make sure that you guys click the like button on the way out. All that good stuff. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We'll be back in a couple of hours. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Hopefully Home Depot has what I need, man. Pat, enjoy your day. Thank you very much for everything, man. Gary, see you later. Dark Bro, Pat, Beeps, Patrick. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Dark Bro, see you later. Gary, Garrett, enjoy your day, and thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Roulette Wheel, see you later, man. Gary, we've got Just Jeff, Pat, 12B. We got Kombu. We got, is it 12? Yeah, it's 12B. We got Kombu, DD214, Dark Bro, Shiba Inu. We got Pat, Old Rounder, Shiba Inu, Dark Bro, Ayo Bapo. See you later, man. We got Pat. Boom. Peace out to you, Gary. Kai. Toodles to you. The franchise. Peace out, Gary. See you later. We got Just Jeff, Pat, Beeps, Claybro Army. Heck yeah, Beeps. See you later. Dark Bro. See you later. Shiba Inu, Garrett, DD214. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.